Welcome back to Forge College. Now that you've combed through your final audit report and patched up those back-end smart contracts, it is time to step out of the back-end bunker and face your final boss, the user interface. This diagram highlights the core speed mismatch we have to solve. Your users are conditioned to Web 2 speed. They click a button and expect immediate gratification. But Web 3 requires network consensus, meaning every action pauses while validators across the globe agree on the state. If you leave a user staring at a frozen screen or an endless loading spinner, human nature takes over. They panic. They mash the button 5 more times, and suddenly your interface is flooded with duplicate requests. Raw network speed won't save you here. You have to design around human impatience by building predictable feedback loops and using a technique known as optimistic UI. Let's trace exactly what happens the moment a user clicks confirm. This diagram maps out a transaction pipeline across 3 distinct RPC commitment levels. We start by deploying optimistic UI. Instead of making the user wait for network validation, we assume the transaction will succeed and immediately show a transaction submitted message on their screen. Behind the scenes, the network reaches the process stage. This simply means the transaction has hit the mempool and the network acknowledges it exists. It is not guaranteed yet, so your application starts pulling the RPC in the background to track its status. The golden rule at this stage is simple. Let the user breathe. Do not lock their screen. Let them keep scrolling, reading, or exploring while the network works. Giving them that immediate, non-blocking nod effectively masks the initial blockchain processing time, making the wait feel virtually non-existent. Next, the cluster reaches consensus and we hit the confirm stage. The transaction is now highly likely to be successful, so we update the UI to a subtle checkmark. As a developer, you can now safely let the user perform non-destructive follow-up actions, like navigating to a new page or viewing a receipt, while you keep monitoring. Finally, we reach finalized. The transaction is now irreversibly recorded on the blockchain. This is the precise moment you fetch the canonical on-chain data to reconcile your application's state and lock in any high-stakes or permanent UI changes. By explicitly tying these 3 network states to specific interface updates, you translate abstract blockchain mechanics into a smooth, comfortable rhythm for the user. Of course, this linear path assumes perfect conditions, but on a highly parallelized network, you are eventually going to encounter traffic jams. This diagram illustrates account locking. If 2 users or 2 rapid-fire clicks from the same user try to modify the exact same account simultaneously, the network will force one to wait. Your interface has to handle this gracefully by explicitly queuing or disabling conflicting actions. Otherwise, actions fail silently, leaving the user completely in the dark. You also need a plan for graceful degradation. When RPC nodes slow down or hit rate limits, your app should default to a safe pending state with a clear option to retry rather than throwing an ugly block of error code. Planning for these edge cases guarantees that temporary network hiccups feel like minor delays, protecting user trust. Great Solana dApp design comes down to translating raw validator metrics into a reliable human experience, guiding your users through progressive disclosure, from an optimistic guess to absolute on-chain authority, keeps their cognitive load low and their confidence high. Now that you have the basic workflow down, our next lesson in the track will stress test it in designing for scale and transaction finality. We will take these exact progressive workflows and apply them to scenarios with massive concurrent load, figuring out which trade-offs to make when the network is pushed to its limits. To learn more about this subject and access other Web3 educational resources, visit us at forge.college. Thanks for joining Forge College, and we will see you in the next lesson.